Okay, let's get along this. Our very first merchandise. Very flash. Alright, first off the cards is our Kiwi Roots Rugby Podcast mug. Get off me. Look at that. Gonna have a few good brews out of this one. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram. What else we got there? YouTube and TikTok. So there's one. Just get some of these out of the way. Okay. What other goodies have we got here? Ooh. This is like Christmas. I might just have to. I don't want to look at this food. Get ruthless. Okay, I have to be very careful here. What's in this bag of goodies? Hey, some stubby holders for all your cold brews. Hopefully not too many. There you go. I think this is the last thing in our box. Seems to package really nicely too. Some Kiwi Roots caps. There you go. Can put them on the head. See if it fits. Oh, a bit tight, might need to work on that, but there you go. 3 items. They'll be coming up for sale very soon.